Weird clouds. Very weird. Very weird circulation. Look at the circulation in the clouds. If that doesn't produce a tornado, I don't know what will. God help us. I'm going to go through the house, see what I can see from the front. Sirens are going now. That's what I'm seeing. Weird circulation. You can see how it's spinning. We'll be very lucky. We'll be very blessed if this doesn't turn into a tornado. Lord help us. It just went back up. Did you see that? Now the heavy rain. Sirens are going off. Still very weird circulation in those clouds. It really is. I can see them over to the left. They're circling north, and these closest to me are going south in a big circular motion. It's hard to tell here, but the circulation of the clouds is really strange. Looks like it's pushing on south though from here. It's hard to tell, but it looks like the worst of us is the worst of what I can see. Trying to push south from where I am. Sirens have stopped now. Heavy winds coming from the north now. Looks like it's pushing it on south. I don't see the circular motion here coming from the north. It's just a straight wind from the north. Still strong enough winds to cause a lot of damage. See this circular motion here. This is actually on the back side of that squall that just blew through. That's the front side as it's heading on into Cape Girardeau. We'll be very blessed if nobody's hurt in this storm. This is one of the worst I think I've ever seen.